Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this oscillating saw blade set by Besdiyard. It's a set for the Starlock device out there, and it comes with 16 pieces multi-tool saw blade set on the table here, as you can see. It's a universal wood and plastic multi-tool blades with a quick release option. The multi-tool accessory for Bosch, Makita, Fein and Einhell. These oscillating saw blades are compatible with the most major brands of the multi-tool fit. Fein Multimaster, Bosch, Milwaukee, Makita, Metabo, Hitachi, AEG, Einhell, Newone and many others, which use the Starlock connection joints. We have built-in markings for precise cutting. The built-in length markings on two sides. One side is inches and the other is centimeters, ensure that we can easily and quickly achieve precise cuts while walking. Special precision saw blades have been specially developed to enable the faster and cleaner cuts in wood and in plastic. The multi-tool accessories can be used for repairs at home, in the workshop, or other places. Throwing or cutting metal, wood, plastic, standing, woodworks, removing paint, rasping and grinding cements, etc. In this set here, which I show to you, is only the possibility to cut plastic, like pipes, and wood. It's not good for metal and other metals out there, materials out there. These oscillating multi-tool blades are made of carbon steel and stainless steel. Thick metals and high-quality manufacturing techniques of the multi-tool blade ensure superior wear tolerance and durability. But what is an oscillating multi-tool? You can say oscillating saw as well. This is a multi-tool and a power tool that oscillates rather than rotating or with operations. It's powered by battery or by main plug-in. The name multi-tool is reference to the manufacturing that this tool can perform with the range of attachment available. A master tool, for example, is also a trade name used in North America that shot the original tool by Fein called the Multimaster. Attachments are available to sawing, sanding, rasping, grinding, scraping, cutting, and polishing. This type of oscillating tool was originally developed by the German manufacturer Fein in 1967 with a design intended to remove plaster cast easily without cutting the patience. This saw was patented as a circular saw with an angular oscillating saw blade. It was used primarily in orthopedic for cutting plastic cast. The present pattern of the oscillating rotation cut through the hard cast without damaging the patient's skin, and the plaster cast saw was equipped with a more powerful gearbox to upgrade it to a chassis saw. The plastic cast saw formed the basis of the Fein's range of sophisticated oscillating power tools. And here it comes. This is the main feature in 2023, for example. It's an oscillating multi-tool which uses the Starlock hub system. So it's easy to attach these saws onto the chain or the oscillating multi-tool. Because there is a ball, you have to go through the saw and attach this with the oscillating multi-tool easily and lock it after you placed it. You can attach it 360 degrees rotational. As you like, you can attach it. This is really multifunction. And with this oscillating saw blade set here, you can go further and make a good job in wood and in plastic. It is made by Besdiyard. It's a Starlock 16-piece multi-saw blade set. And it's a really cool thing for your, for example, Makita multi-tool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.